Bitcoin is about to have its largest move of the year, and we have a cheat code. We've been using this cheat code for years. It's been on point for years, and I'm about to give you the secret cheat code for free. Hit that subscribe button. My name is Steve. Let's jump into it. Down here at the bottom, we have the NVT HV indicator. You won't be able to find it here. This is our custom indicator. All of our students have this for free. But what we can see down here and what you'll be able to see in this video, and you'll be able to follow along, I will keep you up to date on what happens, but take a look at the past. What we're seeing with our volatility in Bitcoin is it's at historic lows. This is the calm before the storm. And everyone wants to know, what kind of a storm is it going to be? Is it going to be a good storm or a bad storm? And I'm about to show you the cheat code. The HV NVT is a combination of these two indicators, and once the volatility drops below this yellow line is about 40. Once it drops below here, this is where the magic happens, because once it dips its head back above, you'd simply look at the color. Meaning, if we go back to this 50% crash, we were red. We dipped our head below this line here, and when we came back out, that's the key. If we come back above this level and we're white, we're going to plummet by a lot. You can see this one was a 50% crash, right? Once we're white coming out of this, it's deadly, right? However, on the flip side, when we dip below and we come out in red, we had a 250% rally. These are the largest moves of the year. Once or twice a year, Bitcoin will dip his head below this level. And when he comes out, that's the telltale sign. This is our cheat code. Nobody has this cheat code. We have it, and now you have it. So when we're red coming out of this, it's incredible. 250% rally. We had another one here, 470% rally, simply because we dipped our head below once or twice per year, and when we dipped our head back above, we were in red, and we rallied all the way up. We climbed that mountaintop. We want to continue to be red. The bulls want to be red. The bears want to be white. So if you look at this 50% crash and you compare it to this 63% crash, you can see we dipped our head below here in the volatility. We came out in white. This was our cheat code. So we knew up here that we were about to crash by a lot. It's not like we knew here that we were going to crash by a lot. We knew at the top. We knew at the pinnacle. Same with here. We didn't know up here that we were going to rally. We knew all the way back here that we were going to rally because we were in that red color. So as we're getting close here, we're in red, okay? This is good to be in red, but it's not a telltale sign. Once we dip below here and then we come back above, we need to figure out which color we're going to be. Now, I want to give my opinion. I want to give my opinion on what color I think we're going to be and how this is going to play out. But the Masterclass, you've got to go sign up. 5-day Masterclass is now live, cryptocrewuniversity.com. If you're serious and you really want to recover your losses and you want to multiply your portfolio, this is the best investment you will ever make, cryptocrewuniversity.com. If you're a student, you've got to scoop this up. The information covered here is not in our courses, but it's what you have to know right now. If you're not my student, you're probably doing almost everything wrong, and this masterclass will set you up on the right path to doing everything right. You'll see a major change in your portfolio. You'll see a major change in your life, the way you look at the charts in your future. CryptoCrewUniversity.com. There's a huge early bird discount. Once those seats are filled, price will rise by a lot. Do not miss out. Sign up now before the prices rise, and you can lock in this huge discount, cryptocrewuniversity.com. So we've got the red, we've got the white, we can look at history, we can look at every single data point, but Bitcoin is on the verge of making a very historic move. Now, history will tell us, and the way that we're studying charts is that the calm before the storm. And those of you who have lived by a beach or just lived anywhere, there's always the calm before the storm and weather too. When you go outside and there's no wind at all and there's nothing in sight, it's right before a big storm comes and just destroys the beach, right? It happens every time. This is the period we're in Bitcoin, right? We have been falling in our volatility literally for years. You can go all the way back to 2018 when we had super, super high volatility, and then we had a lower high and another lower high and another lower high and another lower high. We've been kind of at this pinnacle with Bitcoin, and our volatility had some trouble, right? And you can even go back earlier than 2018. We had some super high volatility in 2013, and we've been falling since. So our volatility, as adoption grows, our volatility is falling and Bitcoin is becoming more boring. But again, it's still fairly volatile, and it's about to get super volatile in the coming weeks. So again, right now, as we speak, we are not below this key 40 level. I repeat, we're not below there. But in a handful of days from now, in a couple of days from now, we potentially will be. We're going to print our new part of this formation. And if we're below, you're going to see a follow-up video from me. But what I'm hoping is happening is we dip our head below here and we come out in red. However, with price, I do not want to see a large rally above 30K. That will be a big red flag for me in the health and wellness of Bitcoin. If you see in the coming weeks a rally in Bitcoin above 30K, it's going to be a short-lived rally, and it will probably be a fake out rally. A healthy rally, you would see something 24, 25, 26K, something around here would be a nice healthy rally for Bitcoin. And that's what I'm looking for in the coming weeks to 2 to 3 months. This is what I'm looking for. I will keep you up to date here with this color change. Hit that subscribe button. Go get your 5-day masterclass. I'll see you back here in the next video.